Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, put on gloves and goggles, remove rings, and stand clear. First, disconnect the negative terminal, then the positive. This prevents sparks. Once the battery is isolated, inspect the post and clamp closely. If plastic around the terminal is melted, make sure there's no hidden damage to the cable strands. Take photos for reference. If corrosion is present, brush it away lightly to see extent of melt. Do not try to twist a fused clamp yet. Once done with the inspection, carefully trim melted plastic using a sharp utility knife. Keep the cable strands intact. You may need a terminal puller or gentle heat to loosen a seized clamp. Do this cautiously. Overheating damages the battery. After removal, clean the post with a wire brush and neutralize acid with baking soda solution. Then fit a new compression or bolt-on terminal clamp, seating all conductor strands under the clamp plate so you get full metal-to-metal contact and mechanical strength. You finish by tightening the new clamp to the correct torque. Many car specs list values, so follow them, tight but not crushing. Apply dielectric grease to block moisture and reinstall positive then negative terminals. Start the vehicle. If it cranks poorly, check cable continuity with a multimeter across the clamp and battery post. If voltage drops under load or there's visible cable damage, replace the entire cable or the battery post. Troubleshooting tip. A persistent high resistance often means the cable core is compromised. Replace it immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.